So how do you think things are going?
I think things are better than they've ever been before. I can't wait for you to come home every day and spend time with you and put the kids to bed so we can hang out. I'm just happy, so happy, and now I know what it means to really love you now. How do you think things are?
I think things are going fantastic. I cannot wait to come home to see you every day. And when I'm not with you, I think about you. And I miss you. You know what the greatest part is? Is that I have my best friend back. And I love laughing with you because you are so beautiful when you are laughing. Okay?
That was really sweet.
So we've tried traditional counseling, and what do you think is the difference between NUMA and traditional counseling?
Everything. Going to traditional counseling was just that, traditional counseling. How are you feeling today? What did they do to make you upset? How can we not do those behaviors anymore? And that's all great, but it leaves you with a lot missing, right?
Well, in traditional counseling, they teach you how to constructively fight. But at NUMA, they teach you how to not fight.
They teach you why you're fighting, right? It's why because we had no idea why we were actually fighting.
Yeah, at NUMA, they go deeper into why you're fighting.
It's spiritual. It's right.
Yeah.
It's just all spiritual, and we've learned not only what it means to be married in the biblical sense, but how to really love each other.
So at NUMA, they teach you as a husband and a wife what your role is, and how if you stay in that role, then there will be no arguing or fighting.
It just works.
Doug
has said to both of us I think that's one of the major things I will always remember. I have Doug in the back of my head all the time saying, if you just put the other person first, it just works. And we didn't know that before. And it took coming to NUMA Ministries to teach us that, and so many other things, so many valuable lessons, and most importantly, just how to love each other as God intended, right?
Amen to that. So not only are they fantastic together, but separately, from my experience, Doug was a very relatable and easy to talk to person.
I think that's one of the main reasons that you kept coming.
Yeah, I agree.
Back. That's why I was nervous to bring you to counseling, because I just wanted to make sure that you would like the counselor. And I've seen, just such like a good relationship has developed. I've known Paige for years now, and now I feel like I really know her because this is such a huge part of her life, Doug's life, their life together, and now our life. And I just think they're just wonderful people and so easy to talk to. You can say anything in that office and it stays in that office. And
what I really like is, as a religious counseling or
Christian ministry,
a Christian ministry, they don't judge you for whatever your transgressions are. I didn't go and talk to Doug and felt like I was being chastised for my actions. He was very relatable, and he also had, something that he dealt with, that he understood what I was going through.
Paige as well, and they were so forthcoming with their situations and their trials and everything, and it just made us feel so comfortable right?
Yeah,
I would say
I
that's
agree.
a really good way to put it.
I, Anthony, take you, Katelyn, as my renewed wife, to have and to hold, sickness and in health, till death do us part.
I, Katelyn, take you, Anthony, as my new husband, to have and to hold in sickness and in health till death do us part. Love you.
I love you.